Hey guys, so today in this video I want to show you guys how to quickly make your own whipped cream at home from heavy whipping cream. And you can get the heavy whipping cream from any dairy section of the supermarkets. And, uh, um, and this is super easy to make if you have the right tool. So basically, if you I would highly recommend this little knead tool, and it's made by Tovolo. I'm not sure if it's easy to say, Tovolo, and this is specifically made for whipping creams. Okay, and it have all those little like fork-looking thing, and when you actually put it in and turn it around, it actually just turns. So basically, to make whipping cream, you need to just beat the heavy whipping cream like really hard for a short amount of time, and it will become solidified, and then you will have your whipped cream. Okay, so very easy. So things you need is heavy whipping cream and some sugar. So basically, if you like your whipped cream to be super sweet, you can add about 2 tablespoons for 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. For us, we kind of like it a little bit less sweet, so we add less sugar. So it depends on your needs. You can add more or less. Okay, so also it's always helpful to just get a couple drops of vanilla extract to the whipped cream to enhance the flavor a little bit as well. So my wife is gonna actually just start the procedure. So basically, you'll open the container and just pour the heavy whipping cream inside, and we're just using what we have left, which is probably not much, maybe almost a cup. So let's see, yeah, it's about 1 cup. Okay, so we're using 1 tablespoon of sugar for 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So as I said, if you like more sweet, just add more sugar. And just a couple drops of the vanilla extract. Okay, looks good. And then just close the lid, and then we're gonna start whipping. And you can see right now it's like purely just liquid, and as we turn, it will quickly become solidified, and that's what we call whipped cream. So you can do this with a whisker in a glass bowl, but we like this little tool. It's much easier and quicker. So as you can see, the resistance increases as we continue to whip. Okay, almost. And for the container, it's better to have a sealed container for storage. That way you can store it in the fridge. But check it out. Now we have whipped cream. And that's how you make whipped cream at home. And this whipped cream is it's much more healthier, because if you buy the can, pressurized can, the pre-made, ready-made, it have a whole bunch of added ingredients that's kind of fishy, and this is purely just whipped cream, nothing else. And if you put it in a tight container, it can be stored for a few days in the fridge. And let's see what else I want to say. Okay, so if you have a glass container, you can put it in the freezer. That way it doesn't get soft that quick, because you want whipped cream, so you want it to be like more solid. So in terms of storage, always store it in the fridge, otherwise it's just gonna go back to your regular heavy whipping cream. As you can see, our cat loves it as well. Okay, so the only reason I didn't use a glass bowl, a sealed container, is because I'm actually gonna use it on the cake I just made. So I'm gonna spread this whipped cream on top of my cake and make it a roll. So this is a mocha Swiss roll, and it's Japanese style. So maybe I'll put a recipe later on. But keep in mind, I'm using this only because I'm gonna use it to make my cake. Otherwise, it's better to have a sealed glass container and put it in the fridge to store it better. All right. So there you have it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.